Alright you guys, before I get on with this video, I would like to do a quick review of this sensor motion light. It's from ASOKO on Amazon. They reached out to me, so I will do a quick review with them before I start my video, right? So this is the box, the packaging that it came in. Let me turn off a couple of lights so you guys can see. I think there's too much lights in here. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Came in this packaging. And it's a motion sensor light. All right, so you guys are familiar with these type of lights. They're very popular. A lot of people got them, and they're very convenient around the house, under the cabinets, under your bathroom cabinets, wherever you want lights to be. That's where you're gonna place these. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox for you guys. They're easy to install. So this is what it looks like. It comes in two with the USB cord to charge it, and then these are the magnets. All right, so this is 21 days auto mode. All right, so it will stay working for 21 days without you having to charge it. All right, it has a built-in magnet, sorry, that looks like this. Has this paper thing, you just pull it out and stick it wherever you want to place the sensor. It has how many colors, and it also has levels of colors. So this is what it looks like. So what it looks like. This is the bag. This is where the magnets stick to. Alright, so there's a switch button right here. You could either leave it on auto, on or off or on, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put it on. So this is what it looks like. And I think this part right here, it's like a touch that you could change the lighting. If you want it bright, if you want it both, if you want it like this, if you want it brighter than that. So there's like 5 type of colors you could change it to. Pretty cool. And then you can leave it on auto. So whenever you leave it on auto, it'll automatically stay on. So whenever you just pass by, it'll turn on for you guys. So I like it, nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely use this. This is very convenient because, you know, I have kids, so this will be easy for whenever they need to use the bathroom. They won't have to turn on the light. They'll just pass by, and then the censored light will turn on for them so they could see their way to the bathroom. Yeah, this is really nice. I like it. 10 out of 10. I could even put it on the hallway if I want to for the kids. But this is really good. Thank you, ASOKO, for reaching out. I really appreciate you. This is a add-on to my house finds, so thank you for sending this. I highly recommend. If you guys want the link to this, I will list it down below. I also have a 15% off code for you guys, so if you guys are interested in purchasing this, it will be listed as well. All right, so that's all for and I did show you guys the SUB, right? Each of these sensors have its own USB cord, so you could definitely charge it at the same time, so which is another plus. Alright guys, so that's it with that. Let's get on with the video.
Yes, they all say, yo, y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like, boy, man, I'm Rambo with the yo. I'm Billy Red like John Jack, I'm Camo with the yo. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake, boy, you know I look.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell just so you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. This video is me basically revamping or refreshing my old wig, so you guys gonna see that whole install process. When I installed this wig, it was a couple of months back, so if you guys want to see that video, it will be in my TikTok, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow that. So I hope you guys stay tuned. This video is gonna be a quick wig refresher. So I have this wig that I've used already, so I'm about to reapply it and slay this beautiful deep wave 22-inch. I know I look crazy right now, but let's get right into the video. First and foremost, gotta put on the wig cap. So I'm about to melt that down onto my head.
Goddamn, say yeah, look so good tonight. Goddamn. I wake up looking this good tonight. And I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want, I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the shit, I'm the shit. Everyone to feel like this tonight. Looks so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say yeah. Looks so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Wake up, post up, round round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say it's so good tonight. It's so good tonight. What I think about you, boy.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me. Yeah, everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, if it's something that you want, you should make me your girl, make me your girl, baby. If it's something that you need, baby, can you share my world? I got what you need, so come share my world. If it's something that you want, take a walk with me, walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. Your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, come and take a walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you, or what I think about you, boy. I got what you need, so come share my world.
Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Real easy. Love the curls on this wig, guys. If you guys are interested in this wig, it will be in my Amazon storefront. I will post a link in the description box if you guys are interested. So yeah, it's looking brand new, as if I never worn it before. It's a very, very pretty wig, and I love the color on the highlights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be posting very soon. I've got a lot of DMs about my Shein video. I really appreciate you guys. I thank you guys for watching. I will have another fashion haul, try on haul very soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed and your post notification bell is on so you guys can get notified. All right, yeah, so with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.